Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable app lock in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Here you can see three dots. You have to press on this. Now go to settings. Here you can see privacy. Go for it. Let's scroll down. Here you'll find the option of app lock. Click on it. If you want to disable your app lock, you just have to turn off this button. That's it. So this is how to disable app lock option in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.